the hip to slide towards the target. I know that this video of you on the top here is a little older, but I would think that probably the same thing is probably still happening. But I wanted to show you here, this is Fred Couples, and I'm going to show you a piece in his swing so that you can see clearly what happens. Now here's the top of his swing, okay? I want you to watch how everything moves toward the target. This is the motion right here. So as he pulls down, weight goes left. Hips slide left, and he's moving left. His hip is moving outside of his left ankle. So his hips are closer. If this is where his hips were at address, when he starts that downswing, the hips are going to move past that line. And now you can see where he is based on that position at address. So let's take a look here. You're going to see that the issue I think comes with you is that there's an external rotation of your right hip at the top of the downswing. When you get up here now, I want you to watch your right leg and your right hip. Right here. Watch your thigh. It's going to move out to the right. See right there? And I think that's because your right arm and your right shoulder are controlling that club to bring that club down, as opposed to this side pulling it this way. So if you think about this, here you are at address, here's where you are at address, and rather than move past it, you're going to see that actually if you externally rotate that right hip and the weight goes forward onto that right foot, your hip is going to move back and away, and so that when you get on into the impact area, you're pretty much standing on this side. And so your hip, you can see how far your hip has moved away from that line at address. Watch what Fred does here. As he comes through, you're going to see. So when he gets to impact, half of his body has moved that way. But his head is still in the same spot. See that? So it's a thought, and the reason I'm sending you this is because right at the very top of your backswing, when you're up here, okay. Now, what you want to be thinking of is going that way. So as you pull this club down, you want to think of this knee coming over here, as opposed to coming out and putting weight on it down here. Watch the motion here with the. You can see how your leg actually comes forward, and now it causes you to spin. So your hips are spinning as opposed to moving this way. There's a couple things you can do to drill that. I'll talk to you about it the next time when I see you up at the range. You push it out here.
Yep.
Right. Just turn your shoulder down. See my shoulder's going down, but I'm staying right here.
Yep.
I'm coming into the impact area, and I'm turning through to this side. So my hand path is going right around here. See where it's going?
Okay. And that's the same sort of hand path I use in my full swing.
Yeah.
All right.
The hand path has to be the same because it's at the end of your arm. Your arm's
Yeah.
located to the shoulder's turning in a circle. So if the shoulder's going in a circle, the hand path has to come over here.
Okay.
It can't go up here.
All right.
Right?
Yeah.
So I would say to stop you from doing this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Practice just right here and hit little ones like this. Just hit little ones.
Okay.
Set up left.
Oh, that's a pretty looking draw.
Yeah,
Okay.
just set up a little left.
All right.
Keep your arm straight. Left shoulder goes down.
Yeah.
Right? Don't lift the club up. Just let the left shoulder. When the left shoulder goes down, if the arms are straight, they have to come here.
All right.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
If the left shoulder goes down, that's where the arms go. There's no separate movement here. All right.